In a single-minded quest to avoid probate, instead of using a living trust, many often make the mistake of utilizing alternative probate avoidance methods. Among others, these poor form methods include the misguided use of joint tenancy, adding someone to title, and gift deeds to children. Remember, any successful probate avoidance technique needs to also maintain maximum tax advantage, flexibility, and protection. And it is there that joint tenancy and alternative probate avoidance techniques often fail in such miserable and costly fashion. The truly insidious aspect to many of these alternative probate avoidance techniques is how they lull someone into believing what a great thing they are because they often do successfully avoid probate. Yet one of the biggest mistakes anyone can make is to consider only the probate avoidance aspect of a particular action while failing to consider the many potential tax, creditor, and liability consequences. Think of them as sleeper consequences because many of them do not surface or hit home until years later when it is way too late to undo. On the other hand, assets passed through a living trust do not suffer any of these grave problems, which is why for most, a living trust is the only method that will allow you to avoid probate while maintaining maximum tax advantage, flexibility, adaptability, and protection for yourself and your estate. In the final analysis, it isn't just the advantage of living trust over a will and probate, it is the advantages of a living trust over other alternative methodologies. If you want to know more about the problems and costs of alternative probate avoidance, you can learn about it in The Hidden Problems and Costs of Alternative Probate Avoidance.